Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing something a little different than the other videos we have done so far. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a game. Other than the other videos I have been teaching you Python. Now today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a small game in Python. So what the game is mostly based on about is about questions. So basically the computer will give you two questions and you have to type in the answer. One of them will be correct. One of the questions the computer gives you is correct. The other one is wrong. But like in fun way, you know? So yeah, let's start. So what you're gonna do is type in a variable called op_1 equals, the last video we talked about, you know, we just last video which was about about the if command. We just talked about how to we were just some random person, a random person just pretending to make game, and we talked about the if commands. Now we're going to actually use that game and make it better. So what you're gonna do is actually not type in name, or no, I mean op_1. Actually what you're gonna do is open that the file. So I'm going to open Mines. And now that I've opened it, it should look like this from the last video. So yeah. So let's make some minor adjustments. So instead of just this, we're going to actually make a backstory on why we're actually here. So we're going to place that down and type in a print command. Say, and you can write any backstory. I'm just going to write something. So it's actually going to take some time. So when I'm done, I will show you with the guys. I'll be right back in some seconds for you guys. And now that I have finished, this is what it looks like. So basically it's just saying you are a adventurer and you are stuck in a temple. You have two options. Do you wanna pick, and then it'll move on to, do you wanna go left or right? You know, actually, I'm gonna actually make a minor adjustment to this. There we go. And that should do it. Now I'm gonna place this back. So let's run it. So just press on F5. And now that we have pressed on F5, this should be what it looks like from the last episode. But you guys can literally do anything you want, like any options, any backstory you want. I'm just doing a classic. You are an adventurer stuck in a temple, and you have options to escape. Yeah, that stuff. So yeah. So last episode, we did we know what the correct answer is, but now we're going to update that. So obviously when you type right, it says you chose right, and then nothing else happens. We're gonna add another question. How do we do that? Duh, we obviously have to write the same thing, but with a but you know, different questions, you know. So okay, let's exit this. There we go. So now we'll add more toward to this. So what you're gonna do is type in print, and then let's type. Oh, okay. How about we do this? So you made it to the next room, but wait, there is a giant, let's say, let's go with the giant chicken. And small, what should we do? Small dragons. So it'll be asking you, which do you want to fight? So now we're going to do a variable, that is op underscore, no, that's not underscore 2, and we're gonna set that equal to an input command, obviously. Do that, and now I'll ask you, do you want to fight the giant chicken or small dragons? Now we're going to do a \n. Now what that is basically gonna do is it's like a line break. I'll show you. So you'll see that in the code. Basically it's just gonna like give some space, a line, give some space in the line. So now we're gonna put in the if command. So if op underscore 2 is equal, it's equality to small dragons, going to make that, so basically that what it's gonna do is say you defeated the small dragons with your sword. And obviously we're going to do an else. The else is going to say, and if they did choose the giant chicken, then, well, the giant chicken squashed you. That is not That is not a squashed. That's not a P, that is a Q. Now we change to Q. So this is pretty good. Now let's test this in action. So press F5 or press run and press F5. I'm just gonna press F5 on my keyboard. And okay, we're back here. So obviously the correct answer is right. You chose right. You made it to the next room, but wait, there is a giant chicken and small dragons. Which do you want to fight? Do you want to fight the giant chicken or small dragons? So I'm going to fight the small dragons. You defeated the small dragons with your sword. Alright, we did it, but now let's see what happens if we chose the wrong ones. Okay, be back in a sec. Alright, now we're back, so let's see if what happens if we choose left. You fell in lava, and that's the end. So, it works. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this, well, creation of a 50-50% adventurer temple escape game. We haven't fully finished it, but, you know, yeah. We've done the basics, and you guys can finish the code. It's basically the same thing. You can do the exit. You can choose how many questions there are on the game. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to make the game, and yeah, so please like and subscribe to this channel and my other channel, actually Wolfie. I hope you guys enjoyed. See ya!